What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Connor back with Muscle Addiction, man. If you're new to the channel and you don't know it's a vibe, make sure you stop this video right now. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. Ooh, hey, one thing, let me say this, man. All my new subscribers, I want to say welcome to the channel, man, because shout out to my brother. He done reached out to a lot of people and when helped me out and boosted my subscriber count up, you know, a nice little bit. So I appreciate him for that. Shout out Ed, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know, these videos might be a little bit out of whack or something like that, but this video right here is gonna be some mods, man. I got packages in the mail, you know what I'm saying? Got a couple of things right here, so it's gonna be a nice video for y'all right here. But here's the whip, you know what I'm saying? Got the wheels. Got the wheels on there, man. And I got me a center cap in the mail, but turned out to be one for a different wheel because it's too big. So I had to go back and send it back and then try to get the right size. I should have measured it, so I know better. But the wheels ride good. I like it. Getting a lot of good compliments on it and stuff like that. Can't wait to put some more tires on here because I'm gonna go like I told y'all, 315s or some 305s probably. So, but yeah, I'm finna start with this unboxing, man. I'm just gonna do all of these, man, all at once, cause I ain't gonna lie, I can't wait. This got here actually right before I made it, so, and these weren't supposed to be here till tonight. So yeah, without further ado, man, let me get to opening up these boxes. Tap back in with y'all in a second. Alright, YouTube, I'm back, man. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna start unboxing, man, showing y'all what I got. And I hope everything is what it is, you know. But ooh, this glare ain't what it is. Let me get set up a different spot. Yeah, that's a little bit better. I know y'all probably like these unboxing type of videos, but I hope everybody been good, man. All my subscribers, everybody been good. Y'all can see my initial reaction, as y'all can see. I've only opened one of these boxes in here. Oh, okay. Ain't no fake. It's the real deal. Oh, snap. Oh, yeah. If y'all can tell what these is. I think this is the right side. Let me get these out the plastic real fast. You try to do all this with one hand. There's a lot of wiring and stuff I gotta do. I don't know if I like that. What is this? I don't know what that is. It worries me, guys. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Okay. I think that's how it goes. Yeah. That's the right side. Ooh, okay. That's pretty neat. You know what? I feel like they go. Oh, yes, that's the right one. Go right here. It's gonna look good. Alright, well. Pretty sure it's got instructions in here somewhere. Ah, missing link right there. was telling me these go in there for whatever reason. But okay, looks like they gonna be alright. So I see y'all gonna need a trim panel removal tool or a screwdriver, some sort, to take these off. It's 3 of them right here. Then they give you access to the tail light. Then take this one, and yeah, this one's already undone right here, so I can kind of come through right here. It's a battery, but it's gonna have 2 screws right here, and sorry, one right there. Yeah, so I think that's all of them. But yeah, I'm gonna get all those took out. I'm gonna put these in, cause I'm gonna need to keep these off, cause the rest of this stuff in here, which I can go ahead and finish. No, you know what? I'm just gonna do one at a time. So let me get these put in here, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, YouTube, I'm back, man. I'm back. Ooh wee, I love just seeing the before and after this car. But what I'm right now, I'm finna wash it. As y'all can see, this is ridiculous. Viewer discretion is advised. Oh my goodness. R.I.P. to the bugs. They gone. But yeah, finna wash it up. I ain't gonna show y'all right now. I'm gonna stop right here. But I got them on. But I'm finna get it washed up and stuff. And let y'all know what it look like. So y'all give me just a second. Get this thing washed up. And I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in a second. YouTube, I am back, man. Shoot, I'm done for the day. Just a quick heads up. I didn't end up putting all my parts on that I said I was gonna put on, just because these two right here kind of go hand in hand. So had to wait for those, but I got it washed up. I had to wash it because it was looking dirty, dingy, all them bugs. So look a whole lot better. Whole lot better. But yeah, here goes what I meant to show y'all, man. Bow. Yes, sir. Look way better in my opinion. Look way better. And we got a little extra treat on them. Yes, sir. Sequential. So they turn with my what you call it? I put my hazards on for y'all. I got the park lights on right now. Y'all can barely see them, but they on. They on. There you go. So yeah, man, finally got them in there. So, and I got this in here too. I might as well go ahead and make my little review on this, because I'm gonna put the link in the description where I got the tail lights from and these. So I don't like these whatsoever. Kind of cheaped out on them. $40 something. Thought they'd be a little bit better, but they didn't come with the 3M seal for the back. So I got a feeling that water's gonna start getting in there and stuff. So I don't like that. That's one thing I don't like. I mean, it works good, but it just the fitment isn't right. Like, I could push this side in and it'll start coming out over there. So I mean, I'm pretty sure it could easily kind of be fixed with you know, a heat gun and a little bit of persuasion. You can get it to mold back in there right. But that's it right now, man. I got them in there. I like it. I think it's way better over factory. That's my new term. Way better over factory. So yeah, they in there. Said I'm gonna finish cleaning up these wheels. I did get some more tie letters for the back, but I'm undecided if I want to put them on now. That's the bad part about it. Y'all let me know. Y'all think these tie letters look good on here, or do I need to go with a different color, like red or blue or yellow, something like that? Y'all let me know. But that's really it for this video. Real short and sweet. Just wanted to show y'all these lights, getting them put in, all this stuff. And I didn't make an install video just because there's already multiple videos out here that do it. But yeah, and I gotta get my heat gun for my buddy, but I did get to find something that I got about 7 years ago, and I never would have thought that I would use it, but some black SS badges. Don't know how long ago it was, but it was probably over 7 years ago. Put them on there, like that. What y'all think? Red or black? But I like them. I got 2 of them. Think about placing this one as well. Put that in there. I think it's time for some more headlights now. RGB. Yeah, I think that's all I need. But I'm finna finish detailing it. Tell me what y'all think, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all go browse the channel. All my new subscribers, I thank y'all for tuning in, man. All my return subscribers, thank y'all for supporting your boy. And it does not go unnoticed. Y'all be good, y'all be blessed. Muscle Addiction, signing out. Yes, sir.